Today I want to show you how to make a Star Wars lightsaber in iClone 7. This is going to be extremely simple. Right guys, before we start, I'm going to ask you to smack the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also, don't forget to click on notifications to keep up with the latest video. So for this example, we're going to use the iClone 7, which you can download from the link down below. To import the lightsabers, we're going to use 3D Exchange, which you can also download from the link down below. Alright, so I downloaded the lightsaber from this website, free3d.com. Okay, you can download it for free, so go ahead and download it. Okay, you can probably model one yourself if you want to, but you don't have to. Probably just use a stick. It wouldn't even matter. I mean, just for this example. For this, as I mentioned, you are going to need this lightsaber. Okay, from free3d.com. Okay, I will leave a link down below, so you can download this, or you can make your own in 3ds Max or Maya. Doesn't really matter. Some people like using Blender. Okay, so here is our lightsaber. Let me just select the handle. We're gonna make this a prop from iClone by simply clicking on this button, export, and let's import it. Actually, we should get a character first. Reset 0. Okay, there we go. Let's import the lightsaber. It's a little big. I'm gonna give her an animation, something we can loop. If these animations are not enough for you, you can download a ton of more animations from the Real Illusion website. The link is down below. Place the lightsaber on her hand. We kind of have to make it smaller. There we go, around that size. Go into gestures, and let's find something here. Something that will match a lightsaber. Grip A. Kind of works there. Just needs to come down a little bit more. There we go. So now we gotta import the stick, but first we need to attach this to her hand. That's extremely simple to do. All you have to do is to do it. Actually, you can right click here and you can select the this here, attach. Okay, did it work? Yes, it did. Now the lightsaber goes inside her leg there. We're going to fix that after. Okay, so right now we're going to concentrate in getting the glow effect. Okay, so let's export the cylinder, okay, which is just literally just a cylinder, which you can probably just make in iClone, but why bother? Just call it lightsaber stick. So right click here, and we're going to attach this to the lightsaber. Okay, so now it moves with the character. Okay. Now for the glowing effect, this is going to be extremely simple. All you have to do is select the stick. We're gonna go to materials, and let me see. Scroll down, and we're going to go to glow. Bring out a bitmap. I'm going to use this solid. Actually, I made this one myself. Okay, but you can use other pictures if you want different effects. Okay, so I just want a solid color. Now, if you render this now, I'm gonna render an image. Okay, so that's kind of like, okay, let's test. Okay, you can see that kind of works already. To exaggerate this a little bit more, all you have to do is add more effects to this, and you can change the base color. Let me use this image here. It's just a white page. Okay, let's see what happens now, and you can see that that's a lot better now. Okay, so what we want now is more glow. Okay, so all you have to do is bring down the brightness threshold and increase your bloom. See what we get now. Okay, that looks a lot better now. Simply change the map here, or you can change the hue and saturation here. Okay, if I want a red lightsaber, not too bad there. Keep trying, try different settings, see what works for you, because you also are going to have lights and things like that. Okay, that looks pretty cool actually. I kind of like the purple one. While we're at this, let me just fix her arm there now. Click on her. I'm gonna go to, let me see, where do you fix that? That's on the motion layer, I believe. Bring out her arm. a little bit out like that. Okay, that's fine there. I'm quite happy with that. So let's animate the lightsaber. Okay, so let me select that here. Alright, so let's bring out effects. Let me just bring this up here and bring this down. Okay, so let me bring out the HDR effects. So close this here, and if you move your HDR effects, you notice that they leave a keyframe. Now you can't preview these right away. Keep moving it. Keyframe, just increase the brightness and decrease it. Now you don't have to do the whole thing. You have about 500 frames. That will be a lot to do. So what you can do is that you can simply copy this and paste it, and copy the whole thing. Now if you take your time with this, you could do a pretty good job actually. Alright, so let me just render this, and let me just get a good angle here. Final render is fine because this is going to be a small resolution video, and we want to export 1 to 581 frames. This should be super quick because it's so small. What you want to do is you want to preview this in a small resolution. It says you want to open it. We're going to create a point light, and let's just make the range a little smaller. Oops, actually that needs to be closer to our character. Okay, so our lightsaber is sort of green. Okay, so we need to change that to green. And we want to attach the light to the stick. Okay, so let me right click on it, attach to the stick. And that looks pretty good already. Lightroom, let's just try this here. Drag this light, and let me just render this. Render one frame. Render one frame, see what it looks like. Wait for that to okay, so the end, that's not too bad there. Okay, I rendered a quick video there. Let's render this on full frame, and okay, let me make sure that we have a good angle there. I think it's fine there. So let me just export this. And there is our lightsaber in iClone 7. Okay, if you don't have iClone 7 downloaded, the link is down below. Alright guys, so don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any Sparkman videos. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.